Good morning. Let's practice your English before you head out today. How are you feeling this morning? Did you have a good night's sleep? What time did you wake up this morning? Did you have breakfast yet? Do you have any plans for the day? What do you want to accomplish today? Is there anything causing you stress recently? I hope you have enough time to relax. What is something you're looking forward to? That sounds like fun. Well, it was nice chatting with you. Have a great day.